My name is Matt Boswell, and I have the joy of serving as the pastor of the Trails Church in Salina, Texas, and also as a professor of worship at Midwestern Baptist Theological Seminary in Kansas City. And for the last 30 years, I've been writing hymns for the church to sing. That began really in the mid 90s, trying to string together little choruses of praise to God. The Lord had just gripped my heart, and I didn't know what to do about it except to sing of it. And so I started writing songs, and I've never stopped. When it comes to modern hymn writing, I was incredibly inspired by what Keith Getty and Stuart Townend were doing in the UK. And even in the earliest days of what Matt Papa and I were trying to accomplish together as hymn writers was essentially an American equivalent to what they were doing in Britain. And eventually I got to know Keith Getty. The first time we met, he told me he didn't like any of my hymns, and that began a beautiful friendship. And we've been working together now for quite a few years, and Keith has been an incredible help to me, just as someone who thinks carefully about artistry and hymnody and theology and how all of these things blend together to help serve the church. Since the very beginning of the Sing Conference, I've been able to be a part of that, and I count it a great joy. It's one of my favorite conferences that exists. I love the heartbeat of it. I love the emphasis of it. I love the results that I see from it, of churches recapturing a vision for congregational singing and what that means in the life of a local church.